Okay, today we are going to be scraping the Texas Railroad Commission website. So if you need oil leases information or gas wells or whatever, then, and you don't want to just manually like copy and paste, then this is how you are going to scrape this information. So let's say we want oil leases from last month, so today is April, and the county we want is Anderson. And so we want all of this information and view all results. That would be nicer. So let me just demonstrate this working. So we're just going to run it. Boom. That was pretty fast, if I do say so myself. Can't remember what I called that file. Leases. Why did it not just show up there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, leases right here. Boom. And there we have all of the leases. So 711 Ranch B and C right there. Lease number 0441. Yep. 6 districts. 0 BBL. Let's get one with an actual BBL. Oh, I think that last month there's nothing, but then 2 months ago it gives more accurate. Yeah, so let me try view all results. Okay. Yeah, I think last month it doesn't give you anything, but 2 months ago it gives results. I don't know if the Railroad Commission must just be really delayed here. So yeah, we have Bentley AR and 297, 573. Lease number, yep. Let's do another one. Let's do another one here. So Boomer, Bomber, Elton, and 155. Boom. No casing head. Bowers Estate AL. Yep, BBL. And then casing head is 83. Boom. So obviously much faster to get that information through scraping. So how you're going to do this is, this is the technical portion of the tutorial, obviously. So you're going to inspect, right click, inspect, and you're going to want to see the network traffic. So we're going to do lease from February to February, and Anderson, submit, boom. So it looks like we have a network request. And lucky for us, the payload is there and listed out so nicely, so easy to decipher. Because if we ever wanted to change any of these things, obviously start month, we'd change that to 1 for January, 12 for December, easy. Start year, and then you just change the district. Let's see, where's the district? Oh yeah, onshore county. I guess we're looking for county. So then you just change the county, and the 001 is probably the value of the option here. So it's just a select list, and it's an option HTML element, and it's just the value. So if you want to search for Andrews, you replace that with 003. So let's go back to this, and the return is HTML, which is not as good as JSON, but not bad since that's the only request we have to do. So all you have to do is just copy as node fetch. And where is this here? So copy as node fetch, and then you just paste that here. And then also for this one, you need to grab fresh cookies. So you can make that request. I believe it'll still work, but after like 30 minutes, then you'll need new cookies. And so to do this every single time, like when you scrape to grab new cookies and for it to happen like instantaneously, is just go to the base URL. So in this case, it's this one. General report action.do, and I believe this is a Java application, because when they have stuff like action and then .do, then yeah, I believe that is a Java application. So you just paste that, and we're just going to make a GET request, and I use Axios because I like Axios, easier for me to use than Fetch, I think. And you're just going to get the cookies off of the headers from that request, and then you just pass in those cookies. So brilliant. I love that method. It is very cool, very nice, because then you can still use the request, the network request, as opposed to using Puppeteer, because using Puppeteer or Selenium is just much harder to manage, takes way longer, takes way more memory. So anytime you can, you want to just use a bunch of network requests like fetch, XHR requests. And then I always have this like JSONify function, and pretty tedious, but they thankfully make it a table. So I use Cheerio to parse the HTML, and the table is data grid, like that's the class, and then you just take the table rows, and then you just loop through the table rows, and yeah, just do all this stuff. Result, at least what is a result? Oh yeah, that's that equals text. Okay, so yeah, I have a case statement here. Then yeah, if thankfully it looks like it's formatted pretty nice. So the 0th TD is the lease name, and then the first is lease number, second district number. So to see that in action here, let's go to view all results. Yeah, and that's the biggest pain, is parsing the HTML, but thankfully they make it pretty easy here. So the first TR is the header, which I think that's actually supposed to be TH. So you guys suck, you did it wrong. Just kidding. So, and then the class, yeah, really easy to grab. And these guys, thank goodness. So yeah, I think that's actually supposed to be TH. I guess they have TH right here. Okay, my bad. So that is the table row and then TH instead of TD. Okay, actually I suck. So thankfully they make everything really, really nice here. So you're looping through the table row, each table row. And then the 0th, first is district number, well, and just go down the line. Super easy. Sometimes I've had like tables within tables. That is a huge pain in the butt, but this makes it really easy. And then if you want to get the details, obviously you just copy the href there, and then you can get more details here on this page. Oh, crap. That's not it. Yep. And then the same sort of thing, if you want to get this page, you would just copy as no fetch, which I believe I do that here. Get all lease data. Maybe I don't, because I don't think I need that information. I think it comes somewhere else, maybe. I swear I did that though. Get leases HTML. Slice, rev file, get all lease data. Get all lease data. Get more detail on lease. Yeah, no, that's exactly what I do. Fetch the lease URL and then pass in the cookies again. Yeah, so that's what I do. And then, apparently, so with Java applications, old school, I hate them, but sometimes the navigation is handled by the cookies, or handled like if you go to one page, then you have to navigate back, or else it like won't know where you are. So I fetch the individual detail page, and then I have to go back. I actually call go back, and I await that in order to get all of the lease details. So a little helpful hint if you are trying to scrape it. But I think that's it. If you need anything else scraped, go to countypropertydata.com. I realize that that's not necessarily a county, but this domain was available. Wasn't sure what else to name it. So countypropertydata.com. and book a call and anything else. Even if you don't need county or city data or like real estate property data, book a call and I can scrape anything else that's on the internet. Thanks.